Enter the class. You go to your seats. Okay, you ready? The 12th, okay for everyone? On February the 12th, I would like you to prepare a specific word. It will be a presentation, about 5 minutes, okay, for everyone? Yes, 5 minutes. And you're going to present a secret place you would like to share with your friends. Okay? So, what kind of secret place you have in mind? Someone? A secret place. Could be outside in a garden. All right? In the forest, I don't know. All right for everyone? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, you ready?
Hello, this is my work, The Secret of the Mind. I met this old man near the mine. His name is Foch. I met a scientist woman near the mine. She was detecting radioactivity. This is DJ5. The energy in France is 80% of nuclear power. Today, uranium comes from Niger.
Okay, well done. So now to thank Louis, we can applause.
Do you have any questions?
Luan.
Is there still diamonds in the mine?
Yes, it shines. It's not diamond.
Is uranium a radioactive element?
It's used in the nuclear power stations to produce electricity.
What happened to the mine to be drawn today?
Why was the mine discovered?
I know. It was created in 1964.
What were the living conditions of the miners? Rocks or broken wagons or fields and lifted up to the surface.
Well done.
The miners had always their feet in water.
Why is it dangerous?
Because of the X-rays which can provoke cancers or serious diseases.
When did they stop exploiting the mine?
How and what did they exploit the mine with?
In the pits, they had carts, jackhammers, a drilling machine, and a horse staying deep in the mine to pull the carts.
Okay, everyone. So we can thank Louis and you can applaud him.